If you want to enable and set up the mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first of all, we need to open settings. Over here, we're gonna go to connections. Next, proceed to mobile hotspot and tethering. And after that, you should be able to find mobile hotspot. In order to turn it on or off, you can simply just tap on this switcher. If you try to turn it on, you might see this information that mobile hotspot shares your Wi-Fi network. So this is quite obvious. And if you tap on the mobile hotspot itself, then you should be able to find the details of your mobile hotspot. So in here we have the name of the Wi-Fi, the password, and the band that is used. You can tap on any of these options in order to customize the hotspot. So you can change the name over here, you can change the password, adjust the band, and so on and so forth. If you made any changes, remember to save it. And there are some additional settings as well, and the QR code generator, which is accessible if the mobile hotspot is enabled. So you can use it in order to scan it on other devices to quickly connect with your hotspot. Besides that, you can go to quick settings, and there might be an option that allows you to quickly turn on and off the hotspot. And it seems that in this case, it is not. Oh, actually, there it is. So here we have this button. You can just tap on this option over here in order to quickly turn on and off the mobile hotspot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.